we're spontaneously driving to Burlington. I'm trying out a new makeup brand. Scott thinks he's above the law and doesn't stop at stop signs.
I did too. What are you talking about?
All right, onward to Olive Garden. Most of my vlogs like always start out with us like going onto the ferry and going off. It's because we live in upstate New York, so it's faster for us to like jump on the ferry and just go across the lake to Vermont than it is for us to drive all the way around.
The real upstate New York, where we're actually near Canada and Vermont, not near, oh, I don't know, Buffalo?
Buffalo. Or like, I'm from upstate New York, I live in Rochester. No, we're like up. We're like 20 minutes from Canada, and here, I'll show you Vermont. I can show you Vermont right now, and I'm in New York. Oh, right there is the shoreline of Vermont.
Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we known each other for so long. And I know you struggle to stay strong. Sing along with me again.
So I ordered broccoli Alfredo. No, chicken Alfredo. Added broccoli. You can get crispy. Look, you can get crispy chicken now on it. Yes, we're being all
Saving your...
saving the earth. There it is.
To make this hard to last. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up.
Give her your ticket. Give her your ticket. Hello.
Guys, how are you?
Good.
Where are
I
you
know.
coming from?
Just Burlington, spontaneous. I know
Yeah,
it's. Have a good one. Trader Joe's was so freaking busy. I don't know why I didn't want that open. So we didn't get that much. I find when it like gets like crazy busy like that I just like panic and I just don't want to be in there anymore. But we got, oh my gosh, I feel like these only come around like at Easter time. I don't know if you see them year round, but I get really excited for their peanuts. And then I also have not seen the Harvest apple salad. It's got the spring mix, some cheese, apple cinnamon chips, pecans, and it comes with an apple vinaigrette. I also got this to try, which I am assuming because it is sparkling water that it's not going to be any Weight Watcher points. Last time we were there I got something and I just assumed because it was Trader Joe's that it would be really Weight Watcher friendly, and it was not. So be careful with that. Just because it's Trader Joe's doesn't mean that it's crazy healthy. And then we always get these. Got like 4 boxes of these and then just throw them in our freezer. Love, love, love their chicken tenders. And then as last of the stuff that, oh, the salad, I'm not gonna say it. I looked up in line on how it says. It says Eliote, L-A-O-T, I don't know, but it's good. It's a good salad. Last of the new stuff to try are these opal apples. It says the apples with a crispy bite. So curious to try those. So that is our little Trader Joe's haul. Like I said, it was just really busy and I don't know, I get panicky in there. I always have the TV on. I hope it's not distracting. I don't know what the hell I was thinking this morning. I want to make like a nice hash brown like breakfast bowl kind of thing, and I like cut the potato and then I'm like, maybe that's not enough. So I cut more potato and then I'm like, that's too much. What was that? Oh my gosh. My old apartment was across the street from a cemetery, and I still think sometimes that I get like really freaked out whenever I hear noises or stuff because it was like really weird stuff happened there. So I don't know, I just heard some like weird beeping. I don't know. were definitely bigger than what I was expecting. I don't know, I just ended up making like this huge breakfast, but I don't know, sometimes you just gotta have a really good comfort breakfast. So cheers. Grab it with your butt.
Not too much popcorn.
No one's here.
Which one do you like, the first or second?
I swear, like the last 3 times we have come here, there's like no one here. I'm sure somebody's gonna come. It's a freaking premiere. The premiere of Scream. So they had these like collectibles and it got like this special topper. I love it. When it's a premiere day for a movie and we're the only ones in the theater. Does that mean that we're gonna get killed?
Really?
The last time for Scream 5 we were the only ones in the theater. Now we were just thinking like how oops, we still had to wear masks, but like nobody was in here, so we just took our masks off. Good morning. Oh my goodness. I am struggling so hard with this time change and I have no idea why, because I have really no reason why. It's not like I get up early for work or anything like that, but last night I was up till 1 o'clock in the morning watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and I think it's because I'm excited because we are doing 90s Con this weekend. But I am off. I am getting my nails done for the first time today, and woo! I hate this light. Did that make it too weird? I don't know, that made it orange. I'm getting better lighting. We did it! My first time ever getting my nails done. I don't know if the camera will pick up, but this is the famous Kiss the Librarian with Buffy, and then I have, oops, I have the Buffy logo on my fingers. Oh my goodness. It's like, it's all like getting like so real now that we are going to 90s Con this weekend. Usually, old Megan would be getting ready for 90s Con and be like, woo, get all the beer. And now that like my husband and I don't drink like we used to, I'm gonna make some cookies because we kind of, so at least I have some cookies to bring with us, and then just kind of pack and get ready for the rest of the day. I am so freaking pumped. Like I've had a cup of coffee like hours ago and this is how I've been all week. I feel like a little kid. Well, I live like a little kid anyways, because if you gotta have fun in life. So yeah, let's get those cookies done. Let's get Buffy on the TV and get these cookies going. Does anybody else add a packet of vanilla pudding mix to their chocolate chip cookies? If you are not putting vanilla pudding mix in your chocolate chip cookies, you are seriously missing out. I know people hate this word, but I'm gonna say it anyways. It makes them so incredibly moist. Okay? So this is my secret to making the best chocolate chip cookies. I always feel like my life is so put together whenever I use a KitchenAid. I don't use it often. I thought it would be fun considering we are the box people. Well, I should not throw my husband under the bus. I am the box people, the box person, the box queen. I have boxes upon boxes, especially with the business, being an Amazon addict, and just loving to buy stuff. I love to buy stuff. So let's just look. I have no idea. I just got a random package from Amazon, and then I got a box that has another box in it. So I thought, why not open it and see what we have in the boxes today. I want to try these vitamins, and they're gummies. How bad can gummies be? So I got some of the Happy vitamins, and then I got just like a multivitamin too, because especially living where I live in upstate New York, we are really deficient in vitamin D. So I'm hoping that these make me feel just a little bit better. I feel like I'm just pulling shit out. Oh, next we have, see, the most random things. We have vitamins, and then we have an Aerosmith shirt because I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. I really hope that I can meet Alicia Silverstone. Is it Silverstone? Silverstein? All I know is that she's hella cool. So I wanna be wearing that if I do get to meet her tomorrow for 90s Con. Mold kit. I am testing my shop for mold because we did have that major flood. If you did not see the flood in my shop, I will link that video up there for you. But I am not trusting what the landlord said. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it myself because I'm in there for what, like 6 hours a day? Like, people come in and get a piercing and they're only in there for a few minutes. I'm in there for 6 hours a day. I need to know, is there mold? I thought that this would be like a fun springy Eastery kind of vibe to do for our curtains. So that's that bag, because I have no idea what is in this box. Oh, see, it is the most random stuff. So this is for my iPad for work, so I can ring customers out. See? So now we have vitamins, we have the Aerosmith shirt, and we have a cash register. I tell you, I never know, and I know our UPS man probably hates seeing our address, but so there is your random Amazon haul for this vlog. Tomorrow we are leaving for 90s Con. It's about midnight, night before, and I just really want this out so I can focus all my attention on getting footage this weekend. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I'm having a lot of fun with this channel, and it really means a lot to you when you watch my videos. All right guys, till next week.